Hey, what's up everybody? It's your girl, Miss Ebony V. Welcome back to my channel. So today I am bringing you another wig review, and this will be the third wig in this Janet collection series that I am doing for the budget-friendly wigs, y'all. Helping to save those coins. So, this wig that I have this time is called June, and it is by the Janet collection. This is what the packaging looks like. So I'm going to take her out. She's fresh and new. Her name is June, and she's in the color Mixed Crimson. Okay, y'all, so here is the stock card. There is an extended lace part. This is her out of the package. Again, her name is June in the color, what did I say? Mixed Crimson. She's long. Woo! But I like this red. Y'all know I'm a red chick. I'm a red chick. Alright. So again, she has this extended lace part. It's about, that's like a good 5 to 6 inches there. That's good long lace. I don't know if you can see that, but pretty long. It looks like I'm gonna have to do a little tweeze into it though. It's a little tight. It's a little tight, but she's nice and soft. It's not really a silky, wiggy texture. It's a nice, almost yucky. It's a really nice texture. Let's see if I'm getting any shedding. I am getting a little shedding, just a little bit, but that's to be expected. I don't have very high expectations when it comes to synthetic wigs. For me, if they are low budget friendly, you just gotta make it work. You got to make it work. Alright, y'all, so let's see what else is about this lace. Did I miss anything? Nope. So I paid $22.50 for this wig. Please, I heard it on my lip. So I still think that's, to me, in the budget-friendly range. $22.50 is not a whole lot for a synthetic wig, in my opinion. But you know, I don't have your coins. You have your coins, so you spend how you see fit. Oh, y'all. This is a whole lace front, but no butt. It's a nice lace front. It's kind of blunt though. Let me see if you can see this. It's real blunt cut lace, real thick around the edges. So the cap construction has 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back. Oh, I lie. I'm just so used to saying that because most wigs have 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back with adjustable straps. That's like monotonous. Okay, so it's 2 combs in the front, no combs in the back. I kind of prefer the comb in the back. I mean, I don't really use the combs in the front, but I mean, hey, that's what we got. And then it also has adjustable straps, which I need for sure. I'm just examining her, y'all. I'm just looking, admiring the color a little bit. God, this is really long. I don't do a lot of long, super long synthetic wigs, but this is super long. Alright, so I'm going to try her on. Y'all already know I have my wig cap on along with my wig grip. This thing is a lifesaver. I say in almost every video that I do with a synthetic wig that I wear this wig cap, it is a lifesaver, okay? She experienced the jamming to some music and that wig popping right on off. Now with this wig grip, she's gonna stay right there. Alright, so I'll leave a link in the description box if you are interested in purchasing a wig grip. Alright, here goes nothing, y'all. We're gonna slap this baby on and see what she's looking like. See how much work I gotta put into her. I feel like it's gonna be a lot. But let's see. Let's just see. am not feeling the no comb in the back, but I guess I can get over it. This is giving me a middle part already. Let's see if it is adjustable, which I probably won't do, but just to see. Look at this part, like this needs a lot of work. This part is so tight. Look at that. And look, it's so blunt. So even if you wanted to do like a pullback with this lace, I'm gonna have to do some work to this wig, apparently. Do a little shift and see. Move it to the side, then it defeats the purpose of the lace front. But let me see. And it's only a lace part, so it's not like I can go in and create a new part. Can't do that. Cannot do that. Not that kind of wig. See? No, we're not doing that. So if you wanted a side part, you can do that. You just risk having no lace right here, which may be okay depending on how you style it. So I'm going to put it back in the middle. I don't know if y'all can hear that basketball. My son is outside playing basketball. Look at the colors. I love this. I love the colors, y'all. I love the colors. It's a little tangly, y'all, and it's very shady. It's shedding a lot. But again, everywhere to be expected with a synthetic wig. Alright, y'all, so what I'm going to do now, I am not going to kill your time trying to pluck and pluck and pluck and pluck this hairline and this parting space. So I'm going to do all of that on camera. Going to save your eyes and your time, and I will be back with the final look for this beautiful wig. Okay, so I just finished tweezing my part off camera. Now I'm just trying to get the wig back in place before I cut off this lace. All right, y'all, so now I am about to cut this lace, and unfortunately I couldn't find my shears, so I had to do the best that I could with these regular scissors, which was a little challenging, but I got through it. I don't know if you noticed, but I kind of over tweezed my part a little bit in one little small section. Yeah, I got a little tweeze happy, but I mean, you know, mistakes happen and you just kind of got to live with it and move on. So just got to work with what I got. Okay, so now I'm going to take some mousse to try to flatten out this top area and eliminate any flyaways that may be on top as well. The purpose of this is to try to make it lay as flat and look as natural as possible, since it is a synthetic wig. Okay, y'all, she is starting to come together. And now I'm going to add some of my Maybelline Superstay foundation powder in the color Coconut to make the parting area look a little more natural and seamless. Are y'all checking out how deep this parting space is? This is a long part, and I am loving every bit of it. I realized here I should have cut off some more of this lace, but I was really struggling with those large scissors that I had, and I eventually went back and cut some more of this lace off. All right, everybody, so this is the final look. I went ahead and I tweezed my parting area. I even pulled some of the hairs around the perimeter, but I'm not going to leave my perimeter out, so I may do an alternate style, like braid it down the sides and pull it back. And so if I do that, I'll add some photos of that style as well. But this is the final look, and I actually like this wig. I love the little red highlights that's going all throughout. I'm loving the layers that it has in it, the way it's flowing. So this is a definite recommendation. Again, I got it from Hair Stop and Shop for $22.50. So be sure to check that out. And again, this is the third Janet Collection wig in this wig series. So I hope you like it. Again, I've been talking about how long this wig is, and if I had to guess, I mean, it is coming down past my boobs, so I would say maybe like 24 inches. So let me do a little quick 360 for you so you can see all the angles. Here's the back. Other side. Alright, y'all, so I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Please, please, and thank you. Thanks again for watching my video, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye, y'all.